What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an old fashioned. So this is the original way. We're going to use sugar cubes, Angostura bitters, bourbon, and we're going to start with that. So you're going to start throwing your sugar cube in there, dousing it in the bitters. Then we're going to go ahead and add 3 ounces of some fine American bourbon. Look at that. Oh man, mouth-watering, really. There we go. You're going to muddle that until the sugar cube is completely dissolved in your bourbon. Give it a nice little twirl there like I'm doing. Yep, keep it going. Put a little elbow grease in there. Won't hurt anything, just make it taste better. Then we're gonna add our big block ice, because I'm fancy. Got that big block ice tray off of Amazon for like $6. And then we're gonna garnish with our orange peel, run it around the rim. There you go, that's the original. This is my favorite though. I don't use sugar cubes. What I use is that cherry juice, which is fire. I'm gonna drop a cherry in there. You see I'm being generous with that cherry juice instead of the sugar. That's what I sub it for. I think it tastes much better. I put an actual orange, not just the peel of it, but the whole, a quarter of it. And I'm gonna put 3 ounces of bourbon in there. I had my bitters too, and I'm gonna muddle that bad boy up. And this is my favorite old fashioned. This is how you kick it up a notch. This is that next level stuff. Big ice, twirl it around, and there we go. And there you have it. This is the classic old fashioned, how they originally served it, which is good. But there was room for improvement. That's where I think this one comes in. This is the first drink I really learned how to make taste good. And I'm very proud of this drink. People come up to me all the time when I'm serving these in a restaurant. People who are not sitting at my bar will come up and ask me my recipe just because they love how this tastes. And it's not too crazy. I love an old fashioned and can't go wrong with it. Tastes more than half decent.